Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video we'll learn about basically what is monitor module and how to integrate with other devices. So before we start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So basically, what is fire alarm monitor module? So so a monitor module is a device used in fire alarm system to supervise external or conventional fire protection equipment and communicate its status to the fire alarm control panel. So basically, it is a device which is a supervised to external device like a flow switch, emergency staircase or fire exit doors, even valve, butterfly valves which are integrated with tamper switch. So these all are monitored through this monitor module. Okay, so it is a type of input module. So these modules are crucial for integrating non-addressable devices such as a sprinkler flow switch, firefighting valves, tamper switches and fire pumps. So these are the equipments which we will integrate. So here as you can see, this is the flow switch which is used in firefighting system in a sprinkler line. So where we can identify where actually a sprinkler burst, which zone, which floor. Okay, and this is the butterfly bulb with rotatory handle. So this is integrated with this. So with the help of this module it will monitor, so actually what is the position of this bulb, open or close. So it will monitor through this monitor module. Now this is also handle type butterfly bulb. Okay, so this is also monitored through this. As you can see over here, this is the tamper switch and this is the reed switch, actually limit switch type of. So it is used in fire exit doors. So we can monitor the fire exit door whether it is closed or open condition through this monitor module. Okay, that's why all inputs are taken by this monitor module. Here as you can see, this is the view of monitor module. Okay, here if we talk about its terminal, so here SLC minus and SLC plus, T1 T2. So this is for loop circuit, loop in and loop out. And this side we have a input terminal source, one is plus and one is minus. Another set is T7 and T6 here as well. So here we can connect the flow switch, tamper switch wire. Okay, two wire. So to monitor these valves and pumps and flow switch, and these are the addressing knob switch. Okay, through this, with the help of this we can address it. It is made by Notifier Honeywell. Now let's do the wiring of flow switch with the monitor module. So here I have taken, this is the monitor module and this is the flow switch as you can see, and this is the pipe, a sprinkler pipeline MS, and here it is a sprinkler is installed, red type. Okay, and here I have given here, this is the zone control valve actually, and this pipe are riser, a sprinkler riser pipe, and from this tap up is taken. Suppose it is for 5th floor, so 5th floor riser is tap up, and over here this is the zone control valve, and it is a pressure gauge where pressure can be seen. Okay, measure, observation, and again this is the actually flow switch, and this is the drain valve. Okay, drain valve with side sink glass. If a sprinkler will blast, then this sprinkler flow switch will be activated. Okay, so let's see first how it will be wired. Now if we talk about its terminal, so this is the flow switch. Actually its terminal has 3 terminals. One is common terminal, another is NC, normally closed, and normally open. Okay, now let's do the wiring first. So first let's complete the loop wiring. So minus is connected over here and loop to other device. Okay, so this is coming from another device, previous device, might be a smoke detector, might be a control relay module, or might be from panels, and it is going again to this other device, might be to again same monitor module or control module or detectors, okay, or MCP, or back to the panel. Now come to here. So here common terminal is over here, so let's take a wire, red wire, and connected it to plus and then minus from NO contact. Okay, so this is in normal condition. Now let's come to the working, how actually it works. And finally we have to terminate this with also EOL, means end of line register. So this is the register actually. Otherwise if we will not install it, not fix it, it will show the open circuit alarm. Okay, that's why we have to integrate it, we have to connect. Now let's do the working, actually how it works. So suppose now this is in normal condition. Okay, when fire happen, so at that condition what happen, a sprinkler will burst, and a sprinkler will burst means water is flowing to this direction. Okay, and now this flow switch strips become activated and its contact become now switched from NC become NO, and now NO become NC. Now this will sense, means flow switch is activated. When this monitor module will sense, it will give alarm to main control, fire alarm control panel over security control panel. Okay, control room. Now here actually typed message will be displayed. Suppose 5th floor a sprinkler flow switch is activated, means somewhere at 5th floor a sprinkler is burst, there might be a fire. Okay, so we have to check the physically. Okay, might be a fire or someone hit that sprinkler, so accidentally might be broken, so we need to confirm physically. So here actually we'll get the location from this with the help of this flow switch and this monitor module. Okay, and after that what it will do, it will alarm, it will give the alarm towards entire building, somewhere inside the building is fire. Okay, even to display the PA, activate the PA, like please evacuate the building, it's an emergency, like that. Such type of message will be played through this speaker as well. Okay, so in this way actually monitor module work. I have taken here for flow switch example. You can take it for magnetic switch, again take a 2 wire and connect it to over here, common and NO. Similarly for tamper switch, common and NO, like that we can connect and we'll get the status over here in control panel. Okay, so hope you guys understand about how to do wiring of monitor module and how it works. Okay, and how to integrate with other device. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. See you again in next video.